salon to the future.
Girl, I love you. Tell me how you do. Tell me where you're there because me want to follow you. Girl, I can't lie, girl, I love the way you move. And I don't like when you're hiding at the.
Yo, YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing in this video now. Me and my friend Leon are going to be doing a challenge. Over the next week, whoever gets the most subscribers win. The loser has to do 3 challenges. Alright, so today I'm going to be a mixologist. This is my cup. First drink, syrup, orange juice. Soft. Now we'll get a little serious. Apple and vinegar, hot sauce.
That's too much sauce.
That's enough. Cheers. Dog, I don't do this in the dog. Subs. So I definitely drank that off.
Why the fuck you lying?
Last thing, an egg. Cheers. 100 more subs. This lame. Ketchup. Some creamy peanut butter. Some Welch's. Let's go. Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Take it nice and easy. But so the egg don't burn easy, you don't want the egg burn up your throat. Pack of Domino's pepper. Oh, just comment if you want a Domino's pepper. That's rich. Yo, this thick dog. If I drink, I want 1,000 subs next week. 1,000 subs. Me blood. Cheers. Press subscribe button right now for me to drink this. Ready. Ready. Ready, ready, ready. Wow. Merry Christmas.